Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage recurring team meetings in Todoist, your complete 2025 guide. First off, open your Todoist app and create a new project. This could be weekly team meeting or any name that suits your needs. The reason we do this is to keep all tasks related to your recurring meetings in one place, which makes it much easier to manage. Next, within your newly created project, create a task for your team meeting. Now that we've done that, click on the task and set it to recur. You can choose the frequency based on your meeting schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This helps us because Todoist will automatically remind you about the meeting, saving you time and effort. The third step is to add details to each recurring task. Click on the task and then add subtasks for each item on the meeting agenda. This is a critical step because it helps to keep your meetings organized and ensures every important point is discussed. Let me explain why this matters. If you have clear meeting agendas, your meetings will be more productive and efficient. Now we're going to share this project with your team members. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your project, select Share Project, and then enter the email addresses of your team members. This is important as it allows your team to see the meeting schedule and agenda, and also add their own points for discussion. Finally, make use of Todoist's commenting feature. This feature allows you and your team members to discuss tasks, share files, and even delegate tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This feature helps to keep all communication about your recurring meetings in one place, making it easy to track and manage. So there you have it. These are the key steps to effectively managing your recurring team meetings with Todoist. Remember, the more organized your meetings are, the more productive they will be. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.